Hey there, everyone! Have you ever felt like you weren't good enough or confident enough? Do you struggle with self-doubt or have a hard time believing in yourself? I'm going to teach you a simple mental trick that will instantly boost your confidence and help you rewire your mind to believe in yourself. It is a common phrase used to describe the idea of pretending to be confident or successful until you actually become confident and successful. One way to do this is through a process called cognitive restructuring. This is a technique used in cognitive behavioral therapy to identify and challenge negative thoughts and beliefs. These are statements that you repeat to yourself to boost your confidence and change your mindset. Remember to use cognitive restructuring to challenge your negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. By spreading the word, we can help more people discover the power of positive thinking and confidence. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos on mental health and personal development. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching and take care. Remember, your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. So choose to think positively and confidently and watch your confidence soar. For example, instead of saying I'm not good at public speaking, say I am a confident and skilled public speaker. By replacing your negative thoughts with positive affirmations, you'll start to feel more confident and empowered. But what if I told you that you don't need to fake it at all? What if there was a way to instantly boost your confidence by simply changing the way you think? So let's dive in. If so, then this video is for you. In just a few minutes, have you ever heard of the term fake it till you make it? First, you need to identify your negative thoughts. These are the thoughts that make you feel like you're not good enough or confident enough. For example, I'm not good at public speaking or I'm not qualified enough. Next, you want to challenge these thoughts. Ask yourself, is there any evidence to support these thoughts? Are these thoughts helpful? What would happen if I believed these thoughts? By challenging your negative thoughts, you'll start to see them in a new light. You may realize that they're not as accurate or helpful as you thought. It all starts with your mindset. Your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. And by changing your thoughts, you can change your confidence. Here's how it works. Finally, you want to replace your negative thoughts with positive affirmations. So next time you feel like you're not confident enough, if you found this mental trick helpful, please like and share this video with your friends and family.